Hello. In this video, I will examine the currency pairs correlation indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator shows us the correlation between two symbols that we specify in the input on the chart. We just need to make sure that the name of the symbol we specify in the input exactly matches the name of the symbol that exists in the
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
broker in question. In this broker, the names of the symbols end with a dot, which I will add here. As you can see, this indicator consists of two lines, which are a blue line and a yellow line. The blue line represents the first symbol we entered, which was euro-dollar, and the yellow line represents the second symbol. These lines indicate the price difference from the moving average WAS, which we can specify in the input. If the difference between these two lines exceeds a certain amount, it will display a green histogram here if the blue is above the yellow. And if this difference decreases, we won't have the histograms. And if the yellow is above the blue and the difference exceeds a certain amount, it will display with red histograms, which we can also specify in the input. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the active level, which determines at what point the difference between these two lines should exceed for us to have the histograms, with the default being 3.6. We can change this number based on the settings we have in mind. The next option is the passive level, which indicates when the difference between them, when we have the histograms, should fall below a certain amount for us to no longer have the histograms, with the default being 1.6. Here, we enter the first symbol. We enter the period of the moving average applied to the first symbol here, and we can specify its type here. Also, the price on which calculations are performed, and finally, the smoothing period applied to the moving average or smoothing can be entered here. And we enter the same information for the second symbol as well. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.